Spinach health benefits. Spinach is low in calories and a good source of fiber, making it a valuable addition to a weight loss plan. Spinach contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, magnesium, and potassium. The potassium and magnesium in spinach can help regulate blood pressure and may reduce the risk of heart disease. Spinach is a good source of iron, which is essential for red blood cell production. Spinach is packed with antioxidants that may help fight cell damage and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Spinach promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. You can eat spinach as salad, smoothie, soups, or stew. Follow for more. Thanks for watching.